Hi! In front of me is UNEFLONE Armor 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to Access Security. Now tap on App Lock and choose Open the Inscription at the bottom. Following that, pick one of those login methods that you will use to unlock your apps. I will go with Pattern. Over here, you need to create it. Hit Continue at the bottom and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select Complete. Finally, click on the sweater next to one of your apps that you wish to lock, like Call of Duty. So now when I go back and try to access Call of Duty app, I can see that Pattern is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from your app, go into the same security section, tap on App Lock, enter your login method that you set it up for your apps, and click on the same now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!